We'll discuss here shifts to the left and right. Suppose that the graph of the function g of x is given and we want the graph of the function f of x equal g of x plus or minus c when c is greater than 0. Suppose that point AB is on the graph of the function g of x. It means that the b is equal g of x. What points are going to be on the graph of f of x or g of x plus c? So if I choose x equal a, then the value of y is going to be g of a plus c. I don't even know whether a plus c is in the domain of g, so I don't know whether this value even exists. However, if I choose x equal a minus c, notice then the value of y is going to be g of x, which is a minus c, plus c, which results in g of a, and that is equal b. So we can say that if the point AB is on the graph of the function g of x, then the point a minus c and b is on the graph of the function f of x or g of x plus c. Now what is the relation between those 2 points? Notice that the y coordinates are the same. Now the x coordinate of the point x coordinate a minus c is c units smaller than the x coordinate of the point on the graph of g of x. It means that a minus c is c units to the left of a, and therefore to go from the point AB to the point a minus c b means that we'll have to shift to the left, shift horizontally, preserving the y values, shift horizontally 3 units, I'm sorry, not 3, but c units to the left. What will happen if I would have minus sign here instead of plus sign? If I were minus sign, the result would be shift horizontally to the right by c units. So let's look how it's going to work on an example. Suppose function f of x is x minus 3 cubed. This function can be viewed as the g of x, g of x minus 3, where g of x is the function x cubed. This is the cube function, one of the basic functions whose graph again is given in the coordinate system. So how will I get the function f of x? As we noticed, we have to shift horizontally every point. Now because I have a minus 3 here, the shift is going to be horizontal, but it's going to be to the right. And therefore every point is going to be shifted horizontally to the right by 3 units. So again, noticing that the unit here is 1 squared, if I want to move the point negative 2 to the negative 2, negative 8, 3 units, then I will go 1, 2, 3, and I will obtain the point negative 2 and it's going to be point, of course, 1 and negative 8. The point negative 1, negative 1 moved 3 units to the right will result in the point 2, negative 1. Point 0, 0 moved to the right by 3 units will end up at the point 3, 0. Point 1, 1 moved 3 units to the right will be at the point 4 and 1. And the point 2, 8 moved 3 units to the right will be at the point 5 and 8. The graph will remain the same. This is just shift to the right, so I will draw the same shape going through those points, and the graph just changes position. And this is the graph of x minus 3 cubed.